What's going on, guys? This is Andrew from Downshift and Disappear. Tonight we're installing test pipes on Tate's G37. I had to run to Home Depot real quick, get some swivel sockets because I needed them to get the cats. I got there right before they closed. Now we're heading over to Tate's.
Remember, just showed up the sunshine.
Guys,
we got Alex over here. He's taking off the engine cover now. We're gonna try to get down to these demon bolts, as they're called, because they're a pain in the ass. We ended up actually getting under here and you taking the impact to it because we couldn't get it out with using just manpower because, I mean,
140 odd pounds doesn't go too far.
So we got that. I've actually never seen my engine cover off before. But yeah, we ended up taking the impact to it, busted it loose, took it right off. 10 out of 10 recommendation if you're gonna take off your stock cats. Just get an impact. Get one that's real torquey. Unless you're just a big dude.
What's up, guys? We got the first test pipe on. I didn't get a video of it, but it is already considerably louder. It pretty much, we put the left one on, the driver's side one on, and it pretty much makes the right side completely quiet. So Alex right now is getting the passenger side on, and Tate is doing wheelies out in the street. So I'll keep you all updated on that one. So this is some redneck engineering on how to get an O2 sensor off of a cat.
It's this way, right?
Yes.
Yep.
Your breaker loose?
Yep.
Awesome.
Looser than
So Alex, explain the problem that we were having with the O2 sensors not reaching.
Alex on a Friday night after 3 beers.
So the O2 sensor, this wire, this test pipe moves further down, away from the mount where it hangs on the transmission. So you have to undo that mount on the transmission and it'll reach. It's gonna be tight, but it'll reach.
All right, test pipe's going in.
Dude, this light is smoking. It's like burning.
Probably all the dust on it.
Yeah, it's burning stuff off of it. Can you see it?
Yeah, I can't see it. It doesn't show up on the camera, but I can see it in person.
I don't see it. I see it, yeah.
I'm not hot in real life.
You think so, Tater?
Mm-hmm.
I think so.
That's a
Pretty
little
shocking,
weird, y'all, but okay.
Shut up.
Be nice.
Don't forget about this gasket.
Yeah, I agree.
Right next time we're gonna knock it off.
All right, bud.
If you knock it off.
I say we have exhaust leaks and don't use any gaskets.
That sounds like a good idea.
I think it does
That
too.
sounds like an A1 like.
I just say we sawzall everything off and just have it coming straight out of the engine. Don't even have manifolds.
Dude, that sounds like a really good idea, actually.
What do you think about that, Alex?
And we can put plastic bags.
I say
on
we
it.
take the manifold off and just have it straight come off the engine.
That's what we literally just said.
Saying.
Pressure.
All right, so what are we working with right now, Alex?
All right. So this is the issue we were running into that I talked about previously. These O2 sensors don't reach. They used to sit right here on this bracket, set right here on the transmission, and it clipped in there. But this won't reach there. So the next option is to clip it in and it hang on the pan of the transmission. But I'm afraid of melting wires to these O2 sensors.
So what do you think our solution is going to be for that?
We're gonna have to run it for now and buy O2 extension harnesses. They make them.
Cool.
Just gonna have to YOLO.
You look like an old man. Okay.
Yep. All right, so right now, Alex and I are driving to the test spot where we're gonna test hit or two in with Tate's car with new test pipes. He's foam behind us. So we'll hit you up when we get to the test spot, y'all. What's up, guys? We just got back from doing the test hit in the G. It was pretty good, way louder than we thought. Spun through first in half a second. I've tried to film this outro like 7 times, so I'm just gonna embrace it. But it's way louder, so I'm gonna definitely say test pipes are a success. Y'all are stupid. We're gonna look at get mufflers for the G because it's just stupid loud. Anyways,
It's really loud. I gotta say one thing. It's really loud. It's awesome. It's cool. Loudest G around. One thing though is it's not toned. I want it to be toned. So I might end up getting a full exhaust for it. Right, because right now it's pretty much just open manifold with the what test pipes are. I don't got cats. So I'm probably gonna end up ordering a full exhaust for it and putting that on there, and then headers after that.
Doesn't even sound like a DQ.
It doesn't. It really doesn't sound like
it's
a DQ.
just
Up
loud.
at really high RPMs, it does, but down as soon as it hits about $3,000, it's just
Yeah, it's just loud. But anyways,
it's just noise. It's cool or whatever. It's gonna attract attention. It's gonna blow some people's eardrums out, and I definitely feel a little, not much, but a little bit more power. But that might be because I dropped what 100 pounds of weight.
probably more like 45, but we'll go with 100.
Yeah, like I dropped a good amount of weight off that.
Yeah, those cats are sitting right there in that box. So
They're heavy.
yeah, they got a little bit of weight to them. So I mean, every pound counts. It all adds up eventually.
Mm-hmm.
So I mean, you can't complain. And those test pipes don't have a little honeycomb in them, so it doesn't take up too much. Any closing comments, Alex? No, we got nothing. All right, man. I want to go to sleep. All right. Thank y'all for watching. As always, remember, downshift and disappear.